स्टार्टअप्स जब आते हैं सो दे हैव सर्टेन पैरामीटर्स एंड जब हमारी लास्ट टाइम बात हुई थी तो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रोथ एंड स्पीड एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1x to 10x स्पीड. बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लगेगी या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा लगेगा कि ख्याली पुलाव वाली चीज़ है. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ग्रोथ फॉर अ स्टार्टअप. लाइक व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू देयर, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सर्टेन पैरामीटर्स, देयर आर लाइक revenue, sales, EBITDA, a lot of parameters are there. So उनके अलावा what is growth for a startup and then what is speed for a startup. So I want you to talk about that also.
I would say for someone like me, ignorance is bliss. I never got involved myself into all these terms, right? And I don't, correct? Because the more terminologies you know, the more you are afraid of them, right? Do you think a 22-year-old entrepreneur will know all these terms in detail?
No.
No, right?
Not at all.
But I have seen those startups more successful. 22, 23, 24-year-old creators earning in profits
Absolutely.
30, 40 lakhs a month.
Correct.
Make sense or not? Do you think they know this? No.
No, they do not.
They only focus on two things: content and distribution.
Correct.
Right? And consistency. Right? So it is CDC for them. Content, distribution, consistency, repeat.
Right.
They're in a loop. They hire a nice CFO. भाई बाकी तू देख. Correct?
बिल्कुल.
Right? Okay.
Right.
So I have seen a YouTuber, a very good friend of ours, in the community. He comes from a very small village of UP. And I think this year he has spent over 10 crores in luxuries.
My God.
Buying a 1.5 crore car.
And this is coming just from the content creation.
Yeah, 7 crore bungalow in Gurgaon. Having a proper कोठी in गाँव. And उसके आगे वो खाट बिछा के फिर बैठा होता है. If you see that, you will understand how passionate that guy is about content. But हाँ, वो जर्नी आसान नहीं था.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हमारे पास ये स्टूडियो है, सब कुछ है. उसने क्या किया था, अपने घर के स्टेयर से उधर बीच में एक छोटा सा बड़ा फ्लैट एरिया आता है.
बिल्कुल.
उसने वहाँ पे हरा पर्दा लगा के घटिया से मोबाइल से स्टूल के ऊपर रख के he started from there. People don't do that.
Correct.
Like ये ऐसे कैसे करूँ, मेरे पास तो स्टूडियो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
He did that when he was even looking bad. Now he looks the smartest guy on the planet maybe. Right? We have examples like tech burners, right? Like physics वाला का जब भी example आता है,
बिल्कुल.
I always say YouTube to unicorn.
हाँ.
It's a journey, right?
बिल्कुल.
It was a journey of content. Then Correct. Somebody came, he said, okay, let's infuse. Today they have 7,000 people working for them. But आप start कर रहे हो क्या?
बिल्कुल.
पहले 2 साल उनके YouTube चैनल पे views नहीं होते थे.
बिल्कुल.
बट अब 2 साल की कंसिस्टेंसी है क्या?
सो
इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस, पहली चीज तो, राइट? ओके, इतना ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व मत हो इन सब चीजों में. दूसरी चीज, लेट मी गिव एन एनालॉजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्स ग्रोथ एंड स्केलेबिलिटी एंड स्पीड, राइट? सो आई हैव कंसिस्टेंटली ट्रैवल फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू चंडीगढ़. सो फरीदाबाद टू चंडीगढ़. सो फरीदाबाद टू दिल्ली, माई होम, दिस इज 20 kilometers. Where the Delhi starts, Delhi border starts, 20 kilometers. आज से 10 साल पहले इसको कवर करने में 45 मिनट्स लगते थे.
बिल्कुल.
राइट? बिकॉज देयर वाज नो फ्लाईओवर्स एंड ऑल. देन फरीदाबाद बिकेम अ स्मार्ट सिटी, ऑल द फ्लाईओवर्स केम इन. अभी इसी को कवर करने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
बट देयर इज अ बाटा फ्लाईओवर दैट माइट ईट अप 20 मिनट्स अलोन. इट्स ओनली 1 किलोमीटर.
बिल्कुल.
करेक्ट? नाउ जो उस बाटा फ्लाईओवर को क्रॉस कर देगा वो आगे 20 मिनट में पहुंच जाएगा दिल्ली बॉर्डर तक.
बिल्कुल.
बट जो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है बाटा फ्लाईओवर वो स्टक है.
बिल्कुल.
आपको क्या लगता है, इन दोनों की ग्रोथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं
है. टाइमिंग का प्रॉब्लम है खाली.
बिल्कुल.
इट्स अ टाइमिंग इशू ओनली.
एब्सोल्युटली.
ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज कीप काम, consistently drive at a speed of 5 km per hour. For next 15 minutes you will cross this flyover and then you have a highway, correct?
बिल्कुल.
Then you come to Delhi. Now this border of Delhi to another border of Delhi, where you hit Haryana again, it is 40 kilometers. That 40 kilometers can be half an hour in the early morning time.
बिल्कुल.
That 40 kilometers can be 3.5 hours in the afternoon peak time.
Absolutely.
Is there any problem in growth or the driving skills or anything?
No.
So what happens is when people are moving slow because of traffic, they don't start doubting their driving skills.
Right.
But I have seen people who go impatient because of the traffic, who lose their temper because of the traffic, and I have seen people who enjoy that. Okay, फंसे तो वो ये गाने अच्छे सुन लेते हैं.
Correct.
कुछ खा लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Right? Okay, let's grab a cup of coffee in between. right? But as soon as you cross that border, now there is a 250-kilometer long highway. You need not apply brakes.
Correct.
You can straightforward grow, right? Now that needs another level of skill where you can drive super fast.
Correct.
120 kilometers per hour. You're consistently driving. If at that space, if you lose focus or patience or temper, you will kill yourself and somebody else also.
Correct.
There is no problem in your skill.
It's just about
Because अगर
focus.
आपको ड्राइविंग स्किल प्रॉब्लम होता ना, पहले ड्राइवर लेके जाते.
बिल्कुल.
Correct or not?
बिल्कुल.
And I'm telling that because I met an accident because somebody lost sleep on that highway. And he got almost entire of my family killed. But हम बच गए.
हाँ.
Right? So I have like it's been 15 years of driving on that highway consistently. So you need to understand where is your traffic. Now your traffic can be finance. Your traffic can be you don't have a team who can operate that fast as good as you. Your traffic can be that entire machinery that you have created, the entire business plan you have created is not very efficient, right? And your traffic can be that you are a newbie driver and you bang every 10 kilometers.
Correct.
And then you have to stop. And your machinery can be, क्योंकि जब भी आप लॉन्ग रूट पे जाते हो ना, I always take my car to a mechanic. 10 minutes, भाई प्लीज ऑब्जर्व इट, हवा चेक कर ले, ये कर ले, टैंक फुल है, सब कुछ, राइट? नाउ थिंक ऑफ इट, यू थॉट के ओके टैंक ना आगे फुल करा लेंगे, बट अब दिल्ली में 3.5 घंटे का ट्रैफिक जाम लग गया,
वहीं पे फंस गया,
बीच में फ्यूल खत्म हो गया, किसकी गलती है?
बिल्कुल हमारी,
ना तो ट्रैफिक की गलती है ना किसी और की. सो वी आर नॉट enough prepared also sometimes. And these kind of mistakes, when you fall down, they prepare you for the next attempt.
Correct.
So there is always a next attempt, right? So I think people should play it as a game, not as a stress, not as a competition.
Correct.
Problem is competition. वो Shark Tank गया, मुझे भी जाना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Correct. The problem is all these social tags is giving mental stress, not the business.
Right.
उसको टॉप वॉइस मिला, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है, मेरे तो ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं. I have seen people going mad कि मेरा LinkedIn प्रोफाइल बंद हो गया. मैंने कहा आज बंद कर दो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मेरे फोन में 10,000 फोन नंबर्स हैं. I'll make calls, I still do business.
Correct.
Right. We don't care about it because we have created digital, but we know the offline also. We know how to go out on a bus stop and network with people and still get business done.
Correct.
I know how to sit in a 5-star lobby and talk to 10 people there sipping a cup of coffee and invite them to my table and then do business. सब किया मैंने. So I've worked on ground, I have worked offline, online, I have worked outside India, inside India. यहाँ पे सारा काम आता है human psychology को understand करने का.
बिल्कुल.
But who speaks what? Right? If you go to Paris and France, people love to sit much closer. That's how they will trust you.
Okay.
In India, they would want a 2 feet space.
Correct.
To trust you.
Correct.
Correct? In Dubai, they will not like to talk much. They're like, okay, let's talk straight business professionally and move out. They won't be having fun and beers and coffees with you.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
Punjab, sit on beer first.
बिल्कुल.
Talk later. Anything else. Right? Doesn't matter to
Correct.
them. Correct. So I think जितना भी growth का part है, if you want to have speed, you should be prepared with everything. Good tires, good fuel, good driving skills. Right?
Right.
Prepare on smaller highways first. That's where I say, don't think of कि आज ही unicorn बना दूंगा.
हाँ.
When it is your first attempt, take it like a first attempt, no?
बिल्कुल.
Correct?
Correct.
And enjoy the journey. Enjoy the mistakes also. Don't stress it up. Right? So like, I am a person who always thinks of scale, building a unicorn. Yes, I do. Correct? But I should be able to find good enough problem जिसको टेक में कन्वर्ट करके वो स्केलेबल धंधा हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
So what I do now, because I have already VC friends and tech people as friends, whenever I have a problem solving idea, I go to them first. And they'll rip that idea apart.
बिल्कुल.
I feel disheartened for half an hour. I'm like, okay, I'll find the next idea. In maybe 1 year, 2 year, I might find a good hit. And all these people are still there.
बिल्कुल.
हो सकता है 6 महीने में यूनिकॉर्न बन जाए.
बिल्कुल.
Because I'm preparing myself for that long run.
बिल्कुल.
Correct. So for me, the long run is once you leave me from that border of Haryana, I can drive 7 to 8 hours straight and reach Manali within 8 hours. That's my skill is today in driving.
Absolutely.
After how many years? 15, 20 years. So don't compare your first chapter with somebody's 10 chapter.
Absolutely.
Comparison वहाँ भी चलता है.
बिल्कुल.
So I think ये जो 10x growth है, scale है, this is all about how prepared you are. So one of my masters told me this one thing. He said, success is nothing but preparation, meeting and opportunity. So prepared person multiplied by an opportunity is equal to success. No, you define what is your success. There is no definition to it. Very subjective matter of success. Right? So people can tell me I'm successful. My father will say तूने किया क्या अभी?
बिल्कुल एकदम सही पॉइंट आपने बताया.